How to log into your LinkedIn account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your LinkedIn account. So if you want to log into your account, you first need to open up any web browser you have and then search for LinkedIn. And once you have done that, you just want to head over to linkedin.com, which is the official website for LinkedIn. And once you get here, you'll have different options to sign in. So the first one is to continue with your Google account. As you can see, I have previously logged in with my Google account, so it's suggesting me to log in again. And you can also log in with your Microsoft account if it's connected to your LinkedIn account, or you can directly sign in with your email. The first thing you need to do is enter your email address, and if it shows you your default account and you want to log into another one, you can tap on sign in using another account. And here you'll just have to enter your user name or your email address or your phone number. And once you enter your email address or phone number, then you'll just have to enter the correct password. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on this option to reset it. You can also sign in with your Apple ID. Now, on the password section, if you click on forgot password, you can just enter your phone or email to reset your password. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to enter my password right here to log in. And once you enter your password, you should be successfully logged into your account. And if you tap on this Me section, you'll find out your profile and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.